I grew up basically in Plano. I had just been interested in music, instruments. I was a drummer from, I guess, 12 to about 16, 17. Was in a couple of bands, and then I started diving into audio and recording, and I was pretty much around a studio from 16 to 20, just always messing around with Pro Tools and just getting into it. Right after high school, I got out and all I did was work with bands at my home studio, just mastered Pro Tools. Mastering Pro Tools is what my main focus was, because I felt like that was the future. That's when I really started realizing that I don't see how anybody else could use anything else. I knew Pro Tools when I came into MediaTech, and I knew a lot about audio, but I didn't know the terms. I wanted to know what I was talking about going into it. I didn't want to sound like an idiot when I was producing a band and I was engineering it at the same time. So I wanted to learn about signal flow. That's all those sorts of things. Like, I really wanted to master that, and I felt like going to MediaTech would be a great idea. I had a choice to go to Full Sail or to go to MediaTech, and I heard there's so many more hands-on opportunities at MediaTech, more personal, intimate sessions with your instructors, and I felt that going to MediaTech would have been a better choice overall, just because I wanted hands-on time on the board, and I wanted to be able to just work on sessions. So what all this has led me to is working at Prestonwood Baptist Church. I love this job the most because we goof around, we have fun. Like, there's good people here, good employees, and I would say right now, if I got offered to go somewhere else, higher paying, anything like that, I don't think I could take it, just because the guys I work with here, this is probably one of the greatest opportunities, just because the people are so friendly and they allow you to learn. I'm so glad I went to MediaTech, because I can apply a lot of the things that I learned here, as far as signal flow, just mixing alone, editing. I came into MediaTech knowing a lot about editing on Pro Tools, but as far as just the workflow of it, getting a product in, getting it out, that's a huge deal, because MediaTech taught me how to bring a project in and bring a project out and throw it away and move on to the next. I found that MediaTech helped me a lot in learning workflow, signal path, and many other things. I'm an audio specialist. I love my job. I love Pro Tools. I love live sound. And I'm doing exactly what I love. I mean, what else could you ask for?